I think somebody reversed into it because my axle stands are squished. Maybe I can bend them back out, but yeah, nothing's leaking. But it's kind of annoying because I was gonna do an undercoat. Doesn't matter, it'll just have to wait. Anyway, today we are gonna grind out the back floor. I've stripped all the carpet out the front. I've just been hoovering up slightly. Not a very thorough job, but getting most of the dirt out. So yeah, all this is good. I'll have a quick look underneath. It's going to be undercoated. There's a beam here that needs to be replaced. So I think I'm going to cut it all the way around this edge here. I might leave this. This looks good, and I couldn't manage to get this off because the bolts are thing. Anyway, I'm going to take photos of like reference pictures to see where the lines need to be, so when I do it back it'll all be nice and straight. Also, that inner fender goes back to here. The roll bar here is different because it's up on the fender and it's down there. So yeah, I think I might just cut around the inner fenders first, and then I might not get the roll bar out today. I might just get a big chunk out because I don't know where the fuel gauge reader sensor is, so I need to, hopefully I can fix it, just clean up the points on it, and then my fuel gauge will work again. It might just be stuck because fuel gauge says it's full all the time, so yeah. Anyway, just gonna cut a big chunk of it out. This is a little bit yes, it's a little bit too big for the job, but the little grinder is broken. So, and besides, this is our last cutting disc, so yeah, I'll need to buy my own one eventually. But I did buy an extension cable 2 days ago. That's arrived, so that's handy. 30 meters. So yeah, let's get to work. By the way, cow print carpet everywhere, if I can find a good looking one that's affordable. Yeah. Oh no, this is in the way. Oh, there we go. I'll just pop it up there. Good, you can see now. Okay, I've got these. Since I'm in work almost every day, I don't want to be blind, so safety squints won't do for today. So I got these. I got bigger goggles, but if sparks still get to my eyes, but I'm not going to be doing any safety squint today because I want to get it pretty tidy. I'm going to have to be careful with that. I'm only going to take the discs down to underneath the sheet metal because I don't know how close the tank is. I don't even know if the tank's strapped to the body. I don't think it is. It should be to the chassis. So yeah, let's get to work. Right, I haven't put this radiator in yet. It's just tidier. The ones in it's fine. It's just this one's much tidier. So that's gonna be a job for another day. So yeah, all these, well, most of these bolts here that I left, they just turn on the underneath. So I'm gonna grind it out and then try and retrieve them. But yeah, I don't know how well this is gonna go. I'm not 100% sure where the body mounts are. So I'm just gonna get this back section done first, and then we'll worry about that section more forward. Bit worried, but you know, can't be that bad. Can't go that bad. Right, here we go. I've brand new extension cable. It's the best way for me to do this. That way. Just scrape the tank And there's diesel in the tank. Well, it's not as flammable as petrol at least. So, yeah, gonna have to be careful. It's not huge, so this is bad. Why is this channel all about bad angles? Right. Hope I don't put a mark on the lens with all the sparks. Right, I've done there. Have to be really careful not to cut any of the pipes to fuel. There's the tank. I should be safe, like over there. Alright, let's have a go. Is it stuck to the tank? Might be. Missed a bit there. Missed a bit there. So both of those sides have missed. This is free. Yeah, let's just try to do, it's not, these bits. How fast do cutting discs go? Because I've taken like a good inch or two off of that already. Maybe I'm pushing it too hard. Well, there's my tank. Oh, I found it. Okay, so I believe that's the sender, and that probably explains why it wasn't working. It's not connected to there, I'm guessing. Okay, well that's good. It's just loose wiring. Yeah, I barely touched the pipe there. That's all right. Scratched it, the tank there and there. I think we're pretty safe on that side. It's just here, it was really close. I'm going to be taking it all the way up to the line here. Ooh, might take this actually. Quite straightforward row. Don't know how empty my tank is. Those are just screws. Okay. Yeah, I don't know where it's holding. This might just be here and over there. But yeah, I'm going to try and get it out, and I'll be back. Right, there was another beam going across here over the tank. So it should just lift out. Or maybe there's another one as well. I've cut it that side. There's a little bit holding right there. Right, I'm running out of disc as well, so I think we got plenty of the big ones. Yeah, let's do this. Glad I got these glasses. They're actually college ones. Hopefully I've passed, I don't know. Only used them once. So, if I keep using them, they won't be a waste of money, I guess. I unplugged it. I like unplugging grinders because I don't want to mess about with them. If the button gets pressed down, then watch out, you know. Right, slightly ran out of disc, but I hope I've gotten enough of it that it'll break free. Yes! That was rotten. It's got, that's not a very big tank. I could definitely put a bit more tank on that, because I doubt the differential would come up right up here. That's the fuel thing. I don't know what it was doing in the chassis. God knows. Happy about that. Yeah, I might try and get that part out myself. This has opened up a lot of room. Gives me more space to do the brake lines as well. Gonna definitely do all of the back ones. On the firewall, I kind of want to leave it because it's gonna be really messy with me. But there's, I might have to do a bit on the front brakes as well. I could put some proper Fourtrak shocks in this now, because there's a button on just behind the handbrake where if you press it, it makes it softer, I think. So there's like soft and firm setting on it. There's some wires here to connect up to the shocks, but these are just ordinary shocks. So yeah, I'm going to fix the fuel reader, the level send thingy, and then next video all of this will be out, and we'll either be getting the new, well, the better radiator in, or we will be welding in new metal, or grinding off the fender, yeah, the fenders, because I got new ones of them. I can weld them up straight away, but I just don't have time at the moment. So yeah, I'd have made a start on it anyway. A lot of mud would come through here if I'd go off-roading now. But yeah, I need to get new tyres. That's another thing. I'll make a video painting up the rims. But yeah. Good.